Welcome back, and in this tutorial, we are going to see how to create a Cloud SQL instance in Google Cloud Platform. If you would like to understand the concepts of Cloud SQL Service and its underlying database, please do check out the Data Cloudies link given at the below description. Alright, choose the project and go to Menu and then, SQL tab. If your project does not have any Cloud SQL instances yet, you will see a dialog box suggesting to create instance with a blue rectangle button. Click on it. If you already have one or more SQL instances created, you will see them listed. Cloud SQL supports MySQL, which is open source popular RDBMS, and PostgreSQL, which is open source RDBMS with features of an object-oriented database, and then we have SQL Server Instance. Again, it is another RDBMS database system. For this demonstration, click on the MySQL. Provide the instance ID as company, and assign the root password. And then, after, select the region as US Central and database version as 5.7 for this demo. If you click on Configuration Options, you will notice that you can add labels, flags, and networks. For the production environment, public network is not recommended. Just for this case, select the public IP. And then, more importantly, you can also configure the underlying hardware where the size and type of hard disk play an important part. Defaults are SSD with 10 GB, but if you can, customize them. We will stick to the defaults. And, for the backups, it auto-enabled the automatic backups. We can schedule the backup trigger as per the business. Then point-in-time recovery is enabled with bits of help to guarantee that database will not lose any data in the event of failure. Then, to have the database in the high environment, enable the high availability as a regional option, which helps for automatic failover if the primary region is not available. The maintenance window allows you to choose the window as per the business, in which the system/hardware related maintenance activities will be performed. Then, assign meaningful labels will be helped to track the instance information. Go ahead, and click on the Create button once you selected the appropriate options. This will take a couple of minutes to spin up a new instance for us. Great! Company instance is ready for deployment. As you can see, we can make use of this dashboard to perform most of the database operations. We can also integrate this instance with App Engine. We can create a database user in the web console. Let us try creating a sample DB user. Alright, we can also create an on-demand backup, just by clicking the Create Backup option. Well, actually, the command line is much more comfortable and fast than a UI. You can simply treat it as your Linux command line. As with all command line operations using Google Cloud, we will use the Cloud utility. We have seen earlier that we can access this Cloud SQL instance from the Google Cloud Platform console. You also have the option to access Cloud SQL using Python and Java APIs if you want to do it programmatically. Alright, let us connect to the SQL instance from Cloud Shell now. Configure the project first. Cloud SQL Connect Company. This command will take you to the MySQL command prompt in a few seconds. Well, let us create a new database. Verify the created database using Show Databases command. And then, connect to the account database. Create a new table called ec_tb. Then, insert a few records into the table. Now, select from table, will list the number of inserted items. Excellent. Now let us see how to connect to the SQL instance using Cloud Proxy. I have already downloaded the Cloud SQL Proxy script from GCP. Link has been shared in the below description as well. Execute the SQL Proxy script along with instance connection string as per below. Now, the connect has established with the SQL instance. Let us open the MySQL client and connect to the company instance. MySQL uroot p for password host local host name. Show databases. Excellent. We can see the account database and the inserted records as expected. Well, that is it. We have successfully configured the Cloud SQL instance and provisioned the database. Please do check out the step document at the below link and move on to the next topic in the data cloudies.